species make their homes in various habitats across the U.S.
Now, the ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
That was really funny.
Or choose your friends wisely.
Yeah, exactly. Make sure the other guy is a friend to you as
That's
well.
right. That's right. So you guys can both, figure out what to do. But yeah,
Right.
safety first, of course. They can be dangerous, especially when the weather is nice. Everybody wants to get outside, and I think we're all there. Look at that. Even if it's just to go for a quick walk, even if it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it is so great to have dry weather this week, starting out with a little bit of drizzle in some spots, but really not enough to accumulate anywhere. Everything that did accumulate was farther north near San Bernardino, where they picked up about 1/10 of an inch of rain. Temperatures at 58 degrees right now here in San Diego. It is 54 in Poway, 53 in Escondido, and 56 in Oceanside. Over towards National City, right around 56 degrees as well. 53 in Jamul. And as we go hour by hour, the temperatures will be dropping into the low 50s as we go into tomorrow morning under cloudy skies, so not as cold into the overnight hours. Our headlines include below normal temperatures, windy conditions Wednesday, and then rain to wrap up the week. This cool weather is going to be sticking around with more storms moving into the Pacific Northwest and eventually diving south into San Diego. So our chances will be Friday and Saturday. At this point, there's some uncertainty as far as how much we can expect. It could be between 1/10 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch. But the storm that we're seeing right now is just making its way through Northern California, Washington, and also Oregon. Another storm right behind it. Each of the systems are going to be moving south, but it's going to be the one getting close to us that will be tapping into an atmospheric river. So that typically leads to higher rainfall amounts. And even though the concerns may not be as great for San Diego to our north, we're going to be dealing with a great deal of flood potential. A lot of snow on the ground in the mountains, and then adding rain on top of that. Plus warmer weather for the end of the week. Just as the storm moves in, temperatures will be warming up. The winds for tonight will be impacting our deserts, a little bit of that into our mountains, but expect the winds to get stronger midweek. Wednesday, for the mountains and deserts, we could see wind gusts between 30 to as high as 50 miles per hour. So looking at one of the outputs here, about 1/10 of an inch as far as rain is concerned. And then here's our 7-day forecast. 58 degrees tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, cloudier for the end of the week, with rain moving into the area Friday and Saturday. The hourly breakdown for tomorrow is going to be just a cool day, starting with low 50s early and then climbing to near 60 degrees for the middle of the day. Inland communities also looking at similar conditions, but the difference between Wednesday and Friday is going to be bigger here, averaging 6 to 7 degrees warmer from midweek to late week. And then at the same time, as we turn cloudier, we'll be looking at those showers moving into the San Diego area rather. Overnight lows will be on the chillier side Tuesday into Wednesday morning, looking at 30s once again. For our mountains, average highs mid 40s tomorrow, late week adding 10 degrees with a chance for rain. Snow melt will begin and rain will be adding up. In the desert, 72 degrees Wednesday. By Friday, almost 80 degrees. Kimberly.
Thank you so much, Angelica. We're going to hit